Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Photographer. I'm your daily source for your news today. So, just do an update on the Chase ATM glitch that went viral on TikTok. So, disclaimer, Chase and other people that I mentioned in this video do not have any say-so what I'm about to say about their behaviors and what they are doing to resolve the issue about this bank glitch that, mind you, this is fraud. Keep this in mind. Again, this is fraud. So, ladies and gentlemen, over the week, there was a viral TikTok video that showed how to take thousands of dollars or whatever you can take out from the Chase mobile bank. Normally, some people have used the mobile app and some people use the ATM machine to try to force the ATM machine by writing themselves a fake check to themselves and then withdraw that money somehow. This has got to be the dumbest fucking thing that people have done in 2024. Not only this is fraud, everyone, but you could go to prison for 20 years. So, just keep this in mind. 20 years is a long, long time in prison. Mind you, your salad gets tossed, you get violated. Now, you come out funny as ever. So, with that said, everyone, is this worth your life? So, I just wanted to continue this update because it seems like Chase has lit a fire up people's assholes this past week by showing the people, mind you, these individuals that have a bank account with Chase, that you not only violated Chase policies and procedures, but now your bank account is negative and closed, and now you probably owe the bank thousands and thousands of dollars. Now, they should be, and keep this in mind, TikTok should be also responsible for this action because this is TikTok at its worst, really. Every time there's a viral video on TikTok, it either promotes danger to children or danger to yourselves. It just seems like TikTok does not care about your safety. They don't care about what is going on in the real world. They just want you to post silly and unreasonable content that will cause harm or death, God forbid. But this has got to be the stupidest TikTok viral thing on the internet. Now, you can read this on USA Today's website, which I'm not an affiliate, and if USA Today wants any footage or documentation from me, I just contact their press department. But other than that, everyone, this has got to be the stupidest thing in 2024. Why would individuals risk their own bank accounts to take out money they never had in the first place? So with that said, everyone, it goes to show you also that people are desperate for money at this time. When people are about to get evicted from their homes, people are suffering, people can't put food on their tables, people can't even feed their children or themselves. It's that difficult these days. But to put your life at jeopardy and to end it with one crime, which is a felony, it's just stupid. So, ladies and gentlemen, those that have committed this crime, ladies and gentlemen, you will be jailed. You are going to jail, you're going to prison, or you're going to return that money and pay a fine, and now you're going to have to find a new bank. Because now Chase will be canceling and suspending your account because of these actions. So I just want people to know that TikTok should also be penalized from the government down on. I think the DOJ should literally penalize TikTok. With that said, everyone, TikTok is a problem, always has been. This is why I never liked the platform, because it seems like the platform only wants to show you the things that are not really realistic. So, with that said, everyone, I'm the Photographer, and you just been fed.